Hello, everybody. Well, today I have to work in a little request where a client from Colombia did to me a few days ago. Well, uh, he has he has this this project this web project. I designed it. I designed it in .NET Core using MVC. Well, if you're going to let's go to check this. For example, this is the login for going site. Um, ta, 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 ta. Perfect. Okay, over here, we're going to work first part with this category plans. Where I want to client. This software is for control everything about the internet service provider, but they have a little problem when the client don't have IP public IP address. They need something in a local machine to can connect to the MikroTik servers, and that server are the equipment that can control everything about the access of the client to internet. In that way, uh, this software is working is really working nice when the client have a public IP address. But this software is was designed in multi company, and in this case, the client requests that the one client don't have IP public IP address. For that reason, they need something that could be installed in a Windows machine, and that way can connect to the MikroTik servers and inside the network. Well, and with that problem, I was trying to Windows Form, Windows Presentation Foundation. Um, but I'm going to work in the both project. But first, I'm going to work really fast in Windows Form because uh, for for speed, for time, the client requests that solution in a short time. Well, for that, let's go to explain. This is the solution that's already working on the web, and everything is okay. But this is the backend. Let's go to show you. Wait, let's go to move this site. Um, in the left part, we have I have my Netcore MVC project, right? This is a have a little have a clean architecture. We have the project over here. We have the models. Um, and well, let's go to see the inside the controllers. Inside the controller, I have the API folder, and inside there, I have all the project where concerned to the API services. Okay, what I use to validate the users when make a request to the web. I use in this moment JSON Web Token. I create a token and sending claims inside that token to the client, to the front part. Well, let me show you. This is how to build a token. I create the claims. I put it inside there. The role of the clients, because in this software we handle roles. Yeah, we have the roles, the name, the for of company, the name of the company, the for of the client, where is login in that moment, and we send the token to the when the client is making the login. Okay. Well, in this case, let's go to work with the controller of category plan. I am working with this in this moment. Okay. I deployed it already. Already deployed to the hosting. I can show you the SPI.web publish because over there I have all the information about my data, my hosting. But let's go to see. In this moment, I did it a few methods. I create the post to create a new one, the put to edit one, and the care to send in the list. Okay, this is the backend. This is the backend, okay, right? This is the backend, and it's already working. It's really cool. Okay, and the front is this. This is the solution in Windows Form. I designed it in using .NET 8 and Net 8, and I did it in clean architecture too. We have the layer to data, and over here I put in all the everything we're concerned to the repository, all the HTTP connection to the here all the I have all the methods, the put, and I have all of this in just in one place in that belong to the data layer. And I have to the entity layer, and over there I have all my models, all the DTOs model where I'm going to need to can handle the properties where I need in the system. Okay, and now we have the project, the project in Windows Form, the principal project, and here we have our this is the our login page. Later, when you can log in, is send you to the this MDI menu, and inside of this one, well, I am recently start working now, and I using the menu by default, and this is the one where I change it, and the category plane. When I click it to the category plane, he send me to this one where is the plan category, this page. And over here, if everything is working and if everything is okay, when load this page, um, the system has to connect to the API services and bring me the list of the category where already exists in the server. Okay, let's go to see how it's working in this moment. Okay, look at this. This is my login page. I spent a little time trying to give I don't know a nice look to the login page. Over here I put in the user, and over here, ta-da, okay, and say login. We're waiting for, okay, everything is okay. And now I have to connect to open the category plane, category plant. Here, everything is okay, and look at that, it's working so really fast. I really like. Um, Here, for example, if I want to create a new one, I'm going to create, for example, client uh, test. For example, look at over here. We don't have client test, and say save. He send me this where I say yeah, we create it. Look at this here. And if I edit that that register, I can double click over here. I say edit, and in this moment I say I wanted to change test 45, for example, to see if we really change the category name over here in the list. I'm going to say save. You're going to say yeah, sure. Everything says okay, and look at it here. We have it over here. Well, This is a project. I try to work. For example, in this moment, I worked with this first page with this view, and now I just need to copy and paste uh, the controls, and keeping the same design to all the pages where I'm going to create in the future. Um, and the structure inside the project is this one. I have one property to block the buttons. I another to enable the buttons. One property to clear. This property is to load the grid or load the information inside the grid. This one is when you click it double when you do it a double click in here in the register, and you can. This is the method where it make the this that it makes the select of the register and putting the data inside the text box. Okay, when you click on new button or in the edit button, and this is the button save, and you wanted to click here in the save button. This is the code. I have first I check where the text box don't come empty, and if don't come empty, I check if the switch is one or two. If do you press when you press a new one, this icon, switch is going to be equal one. If do you press this icon, the switch going to equal two. For that, inside I ask if a switch is equal one. Okay, let's go to send it to the post method. And if the switch is equal to, we're gonna to use a put method. Okay, and if everything is okay, if over here I can check everything. I receive here I can sorry took okay here I hear is something fail. I can receive the error, because here in the repository I have the repository and the same time I the response warper. I make a warper message, and that is here, and I can handle all the errors. When I take the error, I send them to the view, and I can take it and control it here inside the code. Okay, for example, over here, and then if we have some error, I got it over here. And all the time when in the backend, I send in a bad request, and inside the bad request I send in the message. For example, over here, look at this. I say, okay, let's go to create the item. I put in a try catch to check if the register don't exist, and I'm going to create a duplicate. And if something failed because I found some duplicate register, I send in a bad request. Here I send in the bad request, and this message is the message where I'm going to receive over here in the response error. And I say message is going to be equal to the response HTTP get error message IAC, and I put it inside the message box. Well, that is the idea, but it's working. It's working. It's great. Uh, this is my first part, and I started working. I started working yesterday. Well, that's it. And now I have a lot of work to do. Okay, everybody. I hope you like it. Well, bye.